I still haven't told you what this video is going to be, right?
No.
Okay. I want it to be a surprise. For the past couple of years, I've been creating and posting videos on YouTube. My videos have covered everything from reviewing go-karts to making Christmas decorations. However, there is one topic I've gravitated to most often, and that has been working on my car. Up until I started this channel, I had always liked cars, but I was never brave enough to try and tackle any projects on my own. When I searched YouTube, I often found that I had to piece together parts of many videos just to complete simple repairs to my car. That's when I decided to document my journey from a complete beginner's point of view, not skipping steps or assuming the viewer already knew how to get to the step I was already on. It wasn't long after I started making content that I noticed one person in particular seemed bothered by my new hobby: my dad. In this video, I'm going to take a look at all the times my dad had something to say about my projects. At the end of the video, I take him for a test drive in my car to get his reaction to all of the modifications I've made. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Up first is a video of when I decided to install a new air intake in my car. Now, a few weeks prior to this video, I had mentioned the project idea to my dad, who was less than thrilled. In this next scene, I tell my dad I finally bought the intake I had been looking at. So Dad, I bought a high-tech air intake for my car.
Oh no.
Your dad didn't want you to get that?
He doesn't like when I buy parts for my car. Do you, Dad?
There's no sense in messing with a perfectly good running car.
That's it. You delete that right now. Delete it right now. Give me that.
Now, my dad always means well, but seeing his over-the-top reaction to the idea of me working on a car gave me the idea to have a little fun with him. The air intake install went great, and if I were a better son, I would have called my dad and let him know the job went well. Instead, I chose to have some fun, and this is what happened.
Hello?
Hey, yeah, so now my car's making this weird buzzing noise.
Oh my god. I would take all that crap off of your car, put it back together the way it was, start it up and see if it's okay.
Well, I already threw my old stock stuff away.
Oh my god. Oh, well, I don't know what to tell you. You probably, every car nowadays, it's not like the old days, points because they're automatically present in the computer's mind, the brain gets screwed up along the way, or there's parts missing that it needs to complete its task.
Why do I have to take it to a mechanic, though? I'm a mechanic.
Okay, then you figure out what's wrong with it.
Hey, Dad,
Yeah.
everything worked just fine. I'm just messing with you.
Oh, for crying out loud. You know what? Sometimes you really make me angry. Why do you do this? Are you serious?
I'm serious. It's fine. It works great.
I hope you weren't recording me.
I was.
Goodbye, Tony.
Bye, Dad.
Goodbye.
In my next video, my dad made a few attempts to get back at me. This is the one time he succeeded. Removing the bumper here, we've got to push up this way to kind of release because they have a guide track in here. Thanks, Dad. So when you're releasing the bumper, there's that. So I didn't feel bad when I started to research suspension and decided to convince my dad I was looking at buying a $4,000 setup and that I planned to absolutely slam my car. Hey, Dad. I was going to show you my my newest upgrade. Check it out. I was going to do ultra low. What do you think?
I think you're out of your mind. Oh my god! I know you're crazy. What are you doing?
Well, this is what it would look like when it's done.
You would have no exhaust system going a half a mile. You'd rip everything out from under your car.
Nah, I mean, all these other guys are doing it. It's not that bad.
I think it looks terrible.
Well, you gotta get it. You're
looks
standing a mile away. How can you
ridiculous.
possibly know?
Any car that low looks ridiculous. And the big, tall tires, big, tall rims with little, tiny height tires look ridiculous on a car.
Nah, it looks good. Look at that.
No. Were you recording that the whole time?
Yeah. Thanks, Dad. So here we are, several years, 100 opinions, lectures, and tantrums later. Does my dad really subscribe to the idea that a car is merely for transportation? Does he still believe that we should always leave well enough alone? I took my dad out for a drive to see what he thought of my work so far.
Hi, we're gonna go pick up groceries.
Yep. Do you need to move that seat back a little bit?
Yeah. How do you do that? Pretty good. It's not like a normal car.
It isn't? How's
No.
a normal car operate?
Normal car has a rod all the way across the front of the seat. This is tucked hidden in a corner, and it's a little loop.
Yeah, well, you found it.
I had to search.
We've got stage 1 tune. We have a new charge pipe. We have a short shifter. We have a 3-inch exhaust, which I should probably open up. I have new wheels that are lighter, new suspension. It's been a pretty good project.
Yeah, all to a perfectly brand new car.
This isn't going well. Already had a few complaints, and now the "you've ruined a perfectly good car" argument. Well, might as well double down. I'm looking at new parts for my car.
What are we doing next?
I'm gonna do a downpipe from the turbo.
Hey,
It will go faster. Faster's good. Seeing that talk is futile, I try to change tactics. Let's do a quick poll. And there it is. Despite all the complaints and past grumpiness, I've actually gotten him to crack a smile.
it's pretty good. You want me to scream this time?
Can you put your hands up like, With my mission accomplished, I decided there was one more thing we had to do before we ended the video. Did you want to try driving it?
I don't care. How close are the shift pattern there?
That should have been my first warning.
There's a lot of them. Mine just has...
Yeah, this has got 6 gears. Here we go. My dad's going to drive my car.
Ow.
You do know how to drive stick.
I think so.
Famous last words.
Oh.
You're resting your foot on the gas, by the way. There you go. And we're off. Stalled it. You were in first gear, by the way. To go in reverse, you press the stick down, over, up. Now we're in reverse. And with that sorted out, we're off. At this point, I knew how the rest of the drive was going to go, and I was kind of hoping my dad would give up, but he was determined. I'm terrified right now, not gonna lie.
We're out here.
Then you're in third, that's first, yep. He immediately forgets that we're in a manual and we're at 6,000 RPM. We're still at first. I know. Oh my God.
We're in second now, right?
I don't know. I can't see. I'm terrified.
Well, you got too many damn gears here. Whoa.
Jesus. Okay. You're at 6,000 RPM. Okay. Maybe, Dad.
What?
You pull over and let me drive us back. Mail
Let
truck.
me get around with this mail.
Yeah, mail truck.
Here we go.
Okay. Be careful. What you can't see, because I only had the one camera, is the entire drive my dad had one wheel off the road and riding in the berm. Okay, Dad.
Are you okay?
No, I am not okay. Well, you make me a little nervous because you don't know what you're doing, and then you're hot rodding.
The only way to drive.
And after another few terrifying minutes of driving, I finally convinced my dad to let me go ahead and take over and drive us home.
I think you were more scared on that ride than I was.
I know. I absolutely was.
Nice car.
For all my videos depicting my dad as being against car modifications, if you notice, in the background of the videos, you'll see hints that my dad is actually a car guy himself. I think that is why I have so much fun messing with him. It's the fact that he gives me such a hard time about working on my car, all the while he's doing the same thing to his car.